Alright, this is a HTC EVO 3D loudspeaker replacement guide. Now to gain access to the loudspeaker, you'll need to disassemble your phone using our HTC EVO 3D Take Apart Repair Guide, which is available at repairsuniverse.com. Now the loudspeaker is held in place with a small bit of adhesive. Use a safe pry tool or a flathead screwdriver to release the adhesive and remove the speaker. Notice the connector on the left side. These connectors will make contact with the flex cable. And notice the outside of the speaker. This is where the adhesive sits. To replace, apply the adhesive and push it firmly into the housing, and it should pop right into place.